My name is John Sager, and I am the president of the ABAR USA. I was really drawn to the ABAR story as something I wanted to be a part of. Um, I really like the way that they go against just moneyed interest in sports. They're all about the sporting spirit, and when I got to know their story and know their people, I wanted to visit ABAR and meet other ABAR fans in the U.S. and in Spain and all over the world. And it's been exactly as I expected. Everyone's been amazing. The fans in ABAR, the fans in the USA, and I've really grown to love this club. What the people that don't understand it is some fans that are in California who just think that they need to support Chelsea and just clubs with a lot of money and just trying to win trophies. And there's another way, and it's the ABAR way. So it's so good to see them thriving from California just for this event.